our very own congressman of this province, the Honorable Maximo Dalo. My companions upstate, I will not name all of you because it's already 12 o'clock. Of course, Mr. and Mrs. Albert Sagala, Lambert, I should say, representative of the Igorot Global Organization, na kayo mga kailan, mga ditoy, members of the 11th municipality for purposes of the celebration of Langay. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. In behalf of the provincial government and the people of Mountain Province, I would like to express our deepest gratitude for your presence. We are truly gladdened and greatly appreciate your coming. The program, the 11th municipality participation, and the Kataguan Dialysis Patients Organization could have not reached this stage, which I say successful, were it not the usual participation shown by the presence of everybody. Again, congratulations, and may we give ourselves a big hand. In relation to the Elizabeth municipality's participation, I would like to state again, this is the second time in public, that the ICC, in the consultation or the consultation activity of the IGO for 2016 will be held in Mountain Province. This was agreed during the IGO ICC at Country Club in 2012. This was proposed by the President of the IGO, Mrs. Mia Abia, together with the late Caridad Tiago. And this was approved by the membership and those who were present during that consultation. And so, last year, the responsibility gong, or the gong of responsibility hosting next year's ICC was accepted by your humble representative when I was in Austria. So definitely it will be hosted next year by the provincial government, by the people of Mountain Province, together with the IGO Philippines, headed by President Manuel Ano. And it will be held on the same occasion or when we are going to hold and host the Langay 2016. The mechanics and details of the activities will be under the office of the provincial government together with the IGO Philippines. So let us look forward for 2016 IIC. Now, we really appreciate the people, especially Congressman Dalo, for conceptualizing this Kataguan Dialysis Patients Organization. It is really a cause that everybody must support. On the part of the provincial government, its participation in contribution to this program. Last year, we opened the dialysis section of the Bontoc General Hospital. We have 2 dialysis machines and we have regular patients. And so, this will ease further burden to our Bacayang at Tagamountain Province who are dialysis patients. Because instead of going to the city of Baguio, wherein additional incidental expenses will be shouldered by you, Bontoc is here.